Hi, my name is Sakshi, a content manager of NSDM India. Today's video is about how the world is revolving around data science, and we are helping you with a free course of fundamentals of data science with Python. I'm putting up the link in the description section below. Do check it out right away, and it's only valid for the limited period of time. The world is growing techno-smartly. Techno-smartly is a term which means something is becoming smart because of the use of latest version of technologies. Data science is indeed one of the most essential reasons to make the world techno-smart. Watch this video till the end to know what aspects of data science have made the world techno-smart. The first one. Data science includes the study of genomic data that provides a deeper understanding of the genetic issues. The second one, in which areas of business unnecessary cost is invested and losses are happening, can be analyzed easily and different cost efficiencies techniques can be implemented. The third one, the study of data science helps in predicting employee attrition in the organization, also helps in understanding the variables that influence employee turnover. The fourth one, anticipates the weather conditions, which can be useful for everyone, and at the airline companies, through these details flights are planned and predictions are made of the flight delays. The fifth one, the study of data science is also used in logistic companies to discover the best time and routes to ship or deliver the products. I hope you found this video really helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel of NSDM, and we are helping you with a free course of fundamentals of data science with Python. I'm putting up the link in the description section below. Do check it out right away, and it's only valid for the limited period of time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.